Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now this particular category is a spacious ocean view. There's quite a bit more space inside here and a little bit of separation. I'll show you that in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value. Now let me show you this beautiful room. Now as soon as you walk in the door, you've got all your storage over to the side here. So you're gonna have hanging storage on this side. It's exactly the same over on the other side as well. You've got a ton of storage up and down, and then you also have these bars that will pull down to give you more room for hanging storage. Now directly across from there, you're gonna find your temperature control, and let's head in and check out the bathroom. Now this is the same bathroom you're gonna find in all the balconies, ocean views here on board. I love the fact that they don't have a shower curtain. They actually have shower doors that'll pull shut. So it's really, really nice. I'm 6'6" and I can actually fit in here because of that. You're also gonna have the clothes hanger, and then right here you're gonna have your adjustable shower wand. Now the toilet's tucked just in the corner. You've got a single vanity here, a little bit of storage underneath, and then this is gonna open up to give you more storage here as well. Now as you head into the main part of the cabin, this is one of those areas you can definitely see the extra space. So you've got a large couch right here. It can convert into a bed in some rooms. You also have a Pullman bed up above right here. Now not every room has one. You can see that on those interactive deck plans on harrtravel.com. Now directly across, you're gonna have a vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got storage up and down with the drawers. There's storage behind the mirrors here. And then you have 2 US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring an extra Euro adapter so I can take advantage of all the plugs. I also bring a USB splitter so I can plug in one, charge multiple devices, and that backup battery so that I can charge it during the day and put it on my nightstand at night to charge my phone in the evening. You've got your TV right here. Now it does move an angle so you can face the bed or the couch right here. You've got your mini fridge underneath, a little bit of storage on the side and up above. And then just in here, you'll find a little bit more storage. And then right there, you're gonna have your safe, perfect size for a passport and wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. Now something that's unique to this category being spacious are these curtains. So they actually do pull shut. That'll pull shut from this side, and it gives you quite a bit extra separation. That's not a normal thing in a balcony. I really, really appreciate that. You've got 2 nightstands on either side of the bed, reading lamps as well. Now I mentioned earlier there's no plug, so I always bring that backup battery to charge. Right now the bed's in what they call the Royal King configuration. You can also separate it apart into 2 twin beds. The nightstands would push forward to the middle, but in either configuration you've got a ton of storage underneath the bed. Now we're out on your private balcony. Now what this is all about is the incredible unobstructed ocean views, that beautiful breeze that's coming off the ocean, and really getting to sit out and explore with your private space all of the places that you are going on this incredible ship. Now right here, you're gonna have 2 chairs and a table. It's that perfect place to take advantage of the room service menu. Of course, you can also have a cup of coffee in the morning, a cocktail in the evening, whatever it is that you like to do. It's your space to sit out here and enjoy the great outside. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful balcony or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.